Bros and hams, hands, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars, bro. Today, or not today, but today I'm going to be talking about something that happened that was crazy. I killed someone with a rabbit. Alright, let's get into the game. So, I actually hit this clip on stream like about a week ago. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Okay, Awk was there, but it's alright. So, like a week ago, I was streaming Bed Wars as I normally do. What is that guy doing? We don't know. Bed Wars players, they're weird. So, yeah, let me kill this guy, then I'll get back to it. What's he gonna do? Oh, he disconnected. That's cool. So last week I was streaming, and like what happened is I fireballed someone's bed, and then I final killed them. And if you guys don't know, like my final kill effect, that was a little interesting. I guess this is what kind of play is happening right now. No, bro, you can't get past that. He neo'd. He neo'd. Get out of here. Can you guys see the final kill effect if it goes down there? Nope. You are. And then he died. We don't know what he was going to say. But he did do this crazy neo over here. Yeah, so my final kill effect, it's like puts out a bunch of bunnies. I'm so good at the game. Yeah, so it like spewts out a bunch of bunnies. He does have endstone, which is unfortunate. I guess I'm going to have to get... No, you weren't supposed to see me. Alright, hold on. I can still do this though. You don't have blocks. You're out of here, bro. You're out of here. Jeez, show my bunnies. Let's go. See those bunnies. And if you fireball them, which happened in the video, by accident. Oh, no. So I fireballed it, and it, like, had flames, and then my bunnies came out. They went in the fire. And when they died, I got cooked rabbit. Okay? I don't know why I'm explaining this. I can just show you what happened in the game, because I streamed the whole thing. Bro, I love when people don't take knockback. Oh my gosh, bro. Who is this guy? I guess I gotta wait for my fire to get rid of. Oh, I got chicken. I got cooked rabbit. That has never happened before, guys. Guys, I think I'm the first person in the world to get cooked rabbit. Hitting people with cooked rabbit in Bed Wars. New item unlocked. Yeah, but it was some pretty cool stuff. Is red keep falling in the void, or are they actually disconnected? Nope, they just keep falling in the void. Interesting. He has iron armor. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, I didn't die. We're good. Yeah, so you're not supposed to get cooked rabbit in the game. That's just something that's not supposed to happen. But after I got the cooked rabbit, I was like, I have to get a kill with it. And then the end of the game approached, and I was like, I have to not only get a kill with it, I have to win with it. And so yeah, long story short, here's what happened. I'll roll the clip. Let's go, baby! Cooked rabbit kill in Bed Wars. Oh my gosh, that has to be a first. There's no way someone else has done that before. This gray guy is pretty agitating, not gonna lie. You have a knockback stick, bro? Oh my gosh, you're so lame. No, he's gonna knockback stick me off. No. This guy's annoying. Oh, you can't knockback me. You can't hit me. GG's. Yeah, so it's some pretty awesome stuff, if I say so myself. Bro, this guy. Get out of here. You landed that? Bro. I don't know if that was a combination of my hits just not landing or what, but that was lame. Super lame. I know this guy's holding shift over here, but it's okay. Come on, aim. There we go. I'm so good at this game. Oh my gosh, bro. Get killed, bro. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say I'm the first person to be able to do this. I actually don't know if that's true. I didn't do any research to see if it was true, but like, it has to be true. This guy has 4 health. I put that in the wrong area, but it's okay. Red's here, but it's okay. This guy's pretty bad. Die, thank you. My bed's gone. This is bad. This is very bad. Kind of forgot that some people are allowed to be alive in this game. I totally thought red and gray were the only teams left. What? Bro, I was hitting him and it was doing nothing. What was that? Bruh. Yeah, but I've had the bunny. Oh my gosh, bro. Why are people like this, man? Oh, I have a little staircase here. Die. Thank you. Blue is coming over. I feel bad for green. Let me open up green's bed a little bit. Just for blue. And he disconnected. It's cool. Yeah, but I've had the bunny explosion final kill effect for like probably like 2 years now. And like I've never known about like that you could actually have cooked rabbit. So are you really wanting a bed trade, bro? My bed's so much farther away than yours is. Okay. Yeah, but I've had the bunny final kill effect probably like 2-3 years now maybe. And honestly, I did not know you could even get cooked rabbit. So I've never gotten it, which probably means other people haven't gotten it. And if I got a kill with it, then I don't know, I believe I'm like the only one who's done that. Fine, could get a low ground advantage. Let's go. Gray's coming to me. Where did gray even come from? Oh, it's white. Bro, this guy, not cool, man. Pink's gonna get white's bed though. You know, I'm just gonna go away. Bro, pink, why do you have to come for me, man? Bruh. I normally do not lose this much, but like, bro, what are these games, man? People are going the wrong way. Okay, this guy, he's amazing. Bro, this game's too easy sometimes. Yellow decided to disconnect, man. We're all good. This guy kind of has stuff. Bro, why did I... Bro, what? Why did I get, like, launched up? Okay. No, he got me. He got me. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. GG's. Yeah, but if you guys watch this video and you don't come to the streams, you should definitely come to the streams. It's like such a vibe. Got music playing and everything. It's all good. All good. All good. Let's go, baby. Ooh, that was kind of clean. That was pretty perfect. I'm so good at this game. And that's a final kill. I can't place blocks here. That's a scam. GG's. We're gonna get his bed. He's gonna be out. No, no, don't get anything. GG's. Final kill. Oh my gosh, this guy's so laggy. Can he kill me though? Nope. Wow. How did that get that block? Oh, I still have a bed. Let's go. I didn't know I had a bed. This guy's invis, isn't he? Yes, he is. I'm out. Bruh. Let's go. GG's. Not even close. Good fight. Subscribe. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Alright, guys. That's going to wrap it up for this video. I don't know. It was kind of long because I couldn't win. But it's all good. I won anyway. So, you know, like and subscribe. You know, catch you on the flip side.